Welcome to the Super B installation video. In this video we will show you how to set up your Nomada battery in series configuration. Connecting your batteries in series mode will increase the voltage of your system. If you want to increase your capacity, watch the installation video for the parallel configuration. When connecting several batteries in series or parallel, always use batteries of the same brand, type, age, capacity and state of charge. When you are connecting more than 4 batteries, you should always consult Super B. You will need the following components: 4 Nomada batteries, 4 CAN cables, 8 terminal covers, 14 washers, spring washers and M8 bolts, 1 CAN terminator, 3 aluminium connection tabs. Before we begin, make sure your batteries are charged to 100% state of charge. Remove any jewelry and accessories present. Place T batteries adjacent to each other in alternating positions. Check if the plus and minus symbols are next to each other. Place the aluminium connection strip over the minus terminal and the plus terminal of the first and second battery. Now place the washers and spring washers over the holes. Complete the connection by screwing in the M8 bolts. Make sure to tighten them to 20 Nm using a torque wrench. To avoid any short circuits, place the protective caps over the terminals. Do the same for the other batteries. Now connect the CAN cables atop the battery. They only fit in one position, so take notice of the notch. Secure the connection by tightening the CAN cable to the battery. Place your CAN terminator in the open slot on the first battery. The last open slot will connect to your battery interface box. The plus terminal of your first and the minus terminal of your last battery should be connected to the battery interface box. Your batteries are now connected. Thanks for watching.